GATE 2016 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 50. Effluent from industry A has a pH of 4.2. The effluent from another industry B has double the hydroxyl ion concentration from the effluent from industry A. pH of effluent from the industry B will be. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. When we talk about water quality treatment, an important chemical parameter that is often talked about is the pH, which is the power of hydrogen, or also called as the potential of hydrogen. This is given as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration in water. Another analogous term is pOH, which is the power of hydroxyl ions. This is given as the negative logarithm of the concentration of OH minus ions in the water. When we add these two terms, that is the pH and pOH, what we get is minus log of H plus into OH minus. The product of hydrogen ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration in water is equal to the Kw of water, that is given as 10 to the power minus 14. Substituting that value here, we get pH plus pOH of a solution as 14. These three equations 1, 2 and 3 can be used to solve any kind of pH problem pertaining to water quality treatment. So in this case we have been given the pH from industry A as 4.2. So using this we can find the pOH for industry A, which would be 14 minus the pH of industry A. This would turn out the value to be 9.8. Once we know the pOH of A, we can find the concentration of hydroxyl ions, that would be 10 raised to the power of minus pOH of A. This would become 10 to the power minus 9.8. It is given that the concentration of hydroxyl ions from industry B is 2 times the concentration of hydroxyl ions from industry A. Substituting the value, we get 2 into 10 to the power minus 9.8 as the hydroxyl ion concentration from industry B. Taking negative log on both sides, which is minus log of OH minus from B, which would become pOH of B. This would give the value as minus log of 2 minus of log 10 raised to the power minus 9.8. This has been done using the concept of log AB, which turns out as log A plus log B. This becomes minus of 0.3 plus 9.8, which becomes 9.5, which is the pOH of B. So the pH of B needs to be found, which will be 14 minus the pOH of B. Substituting the value of 9.5, we will get the pH of solution B as 4.5. So the pH of effluent from the industry B will be 4.5. The relevant NPTEL reference has been mentioned.